Welcome to our video on the HDL Smart Home Control System. In this video, you will quickly learn how the HDL Smart Home Control System works and what it can do. Our system is designed to provide a complete solution for lighting, shading, HVAC, music, home cinema, energy management, CCTV, and intercom control. First, let's take a look at all of the products we need in a complete smart home. There are relays, dimmers, power supplies, and panels. And how do we connect all these products? HDL has developed its own link protocol, which is a technology that can connect wired systems such as BusPro and KNX, and wireless systems such as BusPro Wireless, Wi-Fi. Hybrid systems enable the stability of the whole solution and allow us to flexibly expand functionality in the project to meet users' needs. Next, I'll go over each feature in turn. HDL's Smart Lighting Control System allows users to do more than simply turn lights on and off. The brightness, color, and temperature of the lights can be adjusted to match any activity. Curtains or blinds can be easily opened, closed, or adjusted to the desired percentage. The HVAC system provides precise temperature control for every room in the house, covering cooling, heating, and ventilation. Our radiator valves allow for more precise heating control with built-in temperature sensors in the HDL panel. Users can enjoy their favorite music and control the volume from anywhere in the home with the background music. The system also integrates home cinema for a fully immersive viewing experience. More importantly, users can monitor and control energy production and consumption intelligently by managing the PV, battery energy storage system, and smart home systems to achieve energy autonomy. With HDL's intercom system, you can communicate with anyone in your home and control the door from anywhere in the world. Our door locks are integrated for both convenience and added security, providing you with peace of mind wherever you are. HDL offers a comprehensive security solution that includes a range of sensors such as motion, smoke, and gas sensors that will alert you to any potential accidents before they happen. Additionally, our CCTV system ensures the safety and security of your home with remote viewing and automatic alarms. The main benefit of a smart home system is that it can set any scenarios. It means that you can control all of the above systems by just pressing one button or sending one voice command. We offer diverse control options, including automatic control, scene control, centralized control, and remote control. You can control the entire system through panels, voice assistants, and mobile apps. The integration with voice assistants Alexa, Google, Apple Siri, and Alice enables users to control the entire system using voice commands. The system can also be controlled through the HDL Smart Home Control app on Pro, which is available on both iOS and Android. To commission all of these features, we have a very user-friendly setup software for engineers. It has a simple interface and is easy to use, which greatly improves commissioning efficiency. Thank you for your interest in HDL systems. To learn about how we can enhance your living space, connect with us today and speak to one of our experts.